Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Lutfia Zuha with ID number 2025322024. In this meeting, I will describe a code that I make. So we continue to first program. This program is a basic demonstration of using arrays in C++. First, the program declares a fixed size integer arrays in 5 elements. The first loop, the program sequentially requests input from the user, storing number entered into an array element starting from index 0 to 4. Once the array is filled, a second loop is used to iterate through each element of the array, printing their contents to the screen sequentially. This process demonstrates how arrays can be used to store a collection of data under a single variable name. So we know that this program aims to take 5 numbers as input from the user and then display them as stored. So we next to the second program. This program focuses on processing number data stored in an array. After declaring an array of size 6 and a total variable until to 0, the program used a single loop for two purposes: accepting 6 values input from the user and simulationally accumulating each newly entered value to the total variable. After the loop completes, the program calculates the average by dividing the total by the number of 6 elements. The resulting total and average, formatted so that the average is displayed as a decimal number, are then printed to the screen. Also, we know that this program requires 6 values, stores them, sums them, and calculates the average of this value. So next to the third code is talk about the goal of this program is to find the extreme values, maximum and minimum, in a set of 8 integer data points. The key to this program is the initial initialization of the largest and smallest variables with opposite extreme values, smallest and of an integer and largest of an integer. In an input loop, each new number entered is compared to the existing largest value. If it's the largest is updated. The same applies to smallest. Through this repeat comparison, the largest and smallest variables gradually store the highest and lowest value of all the examined array's element. So this program takes 8 numbers and finds the array element with the largest and smallest value. So last program is this program implements a linear search algorithm. After the array is filled with 7 numbers and the user enters a target number, or let's say number search, the program uses a search loop to check each array element, starting from the first index to the last. If the current array elements is equal to the searched number, a Boolean variable found is set to true, and the loop is terminated immediately using the break statement because the goal has been achieved. If the loop completes without ever finding a match, the found variable remains false. The program then prints a relevant message based on the final status of the found variables. So the purpose is, this program stores 7 numbers in an array and then finds whether a specific number requested by the user is in the array. The method used is linear search. So I think that's all from me. Sorry if I have made a mistake. I close. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.